Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the WhatsApp voice message transcribe or transcript feature. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is enable it in the settings. So open your WhatsApp and go to your profile on the bottom right hand side of your screen. Then proceed by clicking on chats. Now you want to simply go ahead and look for voice message transcripts and make sure that it is on transcribe right over here. Make sure that your language is selected perfectly, and that is about it. Then you can simply go ahead and head to any chat. So for example, let me just go ahead and head to one chat right down around here. And then you can simply go ahead and send a voice message. I'm going to go ahead and simply go ahead and pause that voice message and make sure that the voice message transcript and now all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the voice message transcript and toggle it on. Choose your preferred language, and that is about it. You want to simply go ahead and find the voice message that you want to read in your chat and tap and hold the message and select transcribe from the menu once you go ahead and find it. I currently don't have it, but all you need to do is tap and hold and there will be a transcribe button. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.